Hello kids, today we are going to do some Viva questions of mathematics. By seeing this video, you will get an idea of which type of questions can be asked in the Maths Viva exam. So let's start with the first question. Raman had two toffees. His mother gave same number of toffees to him. How many toffees does he have now? पहले रमन के पास दो टॉफीज थी, अभी उसकी मदर ने उसको दो टॉफीज और दे दी. सो 2 + 2 = 4. सो द total number of toffees with Raman is 4. So the correct answer is 4. Now come to second question. What is the answer in addition called? The answer in addition is called as sum. The answer in addition is called as sum. S-U-M, sum. Now come to the second part of the question. How much is the sum of 3 and its next number? Now we have to calculate the sum of 3 and its next number. So the next number to 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So the sum is 7. Understood? And you have to complete the sentence. You don't have to give a single word answer. You have to speak the sum is 7. Not 7, the sum is 7. Understood? Now come to the third question. Speak any two numbers whose sum is 10. You can take any two numbers whose sum is 10. For example, you can take 7 and 3. 7 plus 3 gives us 10. So the two numbers are 7 and 3. You may also take 6 and 4, 9 and 1, any number which you like. But its sum should be 10. Now come to fourth question. Which number will you add to make 6? Which number will you add to 6 to make the sum 9? I repeat, which number will you add to 6 to make the sum 9? So here what you have to give the number which when you will add it to 6 give the answer 9. So the answer will be 3. The answer is 3 as 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Understood? So the answer is 3. Now come to the fifth question. If you add 0 to a number, what will be their sum? Read the question carefully. If you add 0 to a number, what will be their sum? The sum will be the number itself. So you have to complete the sentence. The sum is the number itself. Example, if you add 0 to 5, so you will get 5. You will get the number itself. That is 5. So now the next question. If you add 1 to the smallest two-digit number, what will be the answer? Now, first you have to know what is the smallest two-digit number. The smallest two-digit number is 10. 10 is the smallest two-digit number. And if you add 1 to the smallest two-digit number, that is 10, you will get 11. So the answer is 11. The sum is 11. Understood? Now the seventh question. You have 8 kites. How many kites will you need to make them 10? So you have 8 kites and you want to make it 10. So how many number of kites do you need more? You will need 2 kites because 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. So the number of kites which we require are 2. So we need 2 kites. Understood? Okay. Now come on 8th question. If the order of the numbers in addition is changed, the answer remains the same. I repeat, if the order of numbers in addition is changed, the answer remains the same. It's absolutely true. Why? If we add 4 and 3, the resultant is 7. The sum is 7. And if we add 3 plus 4, then the answer is 7. So if we add 4 plus 3 and 3 plus 4, the answer remains the same. So the order is changed, but the answer is same. So the statement is true. Now come to the ninth question. If you have a packet of 10 biscuits and 3 loose ones, how many biscuits do you have in all? I repeat, if you have a packet of 10 biscuits and 3 loose ones, how many biscuits do you have in all? So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. So you have 13 biscuits in all. Now come to next. There are 12 crayons in a package. How many ones and tens of crayons are there? See, the number is 12. So in this, you have 2 ones and 1 tens. So the answer is you have 2 ones and 1 tens of crayons. Okay. So now the 11th question. Sita has 18 pencils. How many pencils does she need to make them 20? I repeat, Sita has 18 pencils. How many pencils does she need to make them 20? So the answer will be 2. Why? Because 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. So Sita needs 2 more pencils to make them 20. Please note I am speaking again that you have to speak the complete sentence while giving the answer in the Viva exam. You don't have to give a single word answer. You have to complete the sentence. So you need to speak Sita needs 2 more pencils to make them 20. Now the next question. What is the number before the smallest 2-digit number? What is the number before the smallest 2-digit number? So the smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the number before is 9. So the answer to the first part is 9. Now what is the second part? What answer will you get if you add 4 in that number? 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. So the sum is 13. Now next question. T2 has 3 red and 4 blue balloons. Mona has 4 red and 3 blue balloons. Are they both have the same number of balloons? So let's calculate the number of total balloons with T2. 3 red and 4 blue. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So T2 has 7 balloons. Now Mona. Mona has 4 red and 3 blue balloons. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So Mona has also 7 balloons. So both T2 and Mona have 7 balloons. Okay. So you have to complete the sentence. Both T2 and Mona have the same number of balloons, that is 7. Okay. Now come to the next question. In a math book, it is written 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. But Ritu wrote 5 plus 6 equal to 10. Has she written right or wrong? Ritu has wrote wrong because if you change the order of the addition, the answer remains the same. In the math book, it is written 6 plus 5 is equals to 11. So if we do 5 plus 6, the answer should remain the same, that is 11. But Ritu wrote 10. So Ritu is wrong. Now the next question. How many ones will you add to make 110? How many ones will you add to make 110? So if you add 10 ones, if you make 10 ones, then you will get 110. Understood? So the answer is 10 ones. 10 ones make 110. Okay. Now the next question. How many tens will you add to make 2 tens? How many tens will you add to make 2 tens? So 2 tens. You will require 2 tens to make 2 tens. Hope you understood. I hope that my video will be very helpful in your Viva exam. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.